Again, this is similar to the other problem. So let's write this one down. Cosine pi x, cosine x plus 2 pi. Equate their arguments. There's going to be repetition here. It's going to be very similar to the last problem. Take away x from both sides. Whoops, sorry about that. It's an n. The thing is n is any integer. All right? So it's going to be pi x minus x equals 2 pi n. Factor out the x, you get pi minus 1 equals 2 pi n. And then you get x equals 2 pi n over pi minus 1. That's one solution. Let's talk about the other one. All right, now looking at that, again, I want to talk about the picture over here. And I'm going to do that circle again. And again, if we have an angle here, right, there'd be an angle over here too. That would give the same cosine, by the way. And the question is, what's that going to be? Well, if you look at this one over here, let's say the angle's x over here. What would this one be? Just the opposite of x. All right, let me write that one down for you then. So we're going to get cosine pi x equals cosine. It's going to be minus x now, but it's going to keep repeating itself, and that's going to be 2 pi m. I'm going to equate the arguments. Let's see what we get there. You get pi x plus x equals 2 pi m. Factor out the x. That's pi plus 1, 2 pi m. And then I get x equals 2 pi m over pi plus 1. All right. Again, you understand that m and n are any integers you want. All right. As stated over here, I want to point out this solution is written here. And the other solution is written, this solution over here is written over here. Right. I also asked Wolfram Alpha to do it. And, it does it. I want to say something about the n. The n could be a positive or negative integer. So sometimes when Wolfram Alpha does something, they say minus 2 pi n. It doesn't matter. Same story. Again, what I did for this one, just to emphasize what I'm looking at here, I'm looking at a cycle between 0 and 2 pi. And I see the cosine curve. It's right over here. And I also see the cosine of pi n, and that's the green curve. All right, I'm just kind of outlining it over here, kind of roughly too. Are there points of intersection? There are. If I saw that, there's one there. There's one here. I'm just looking at the curve, by the way. Looks like there's 2 over here. Again, it might be hard to see that, but there's 2 there. There's 1 there. That's not hard to see. 1 there, 1 there. All right? Now, someone says, how'd you generate those lines over there? Well, all I did was I did this. I took these things, and like, for example, I typed in, m or n being 0. I certainly get this one over here. And then I typed in other numbers. I typed in 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Same thing this over here. Just type them in, and we get all these points of intersection, by the way. And that's it. Thank you. How many points of intersection do we see? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Thank you.